Yathokozisa ukufumana sengilindile ngomthamo opheleleko wendaba zesindebele ezirhatsha ku SABC1. Nginguthulani Bongwe ngiyalotshisa begodi ngiyakwamukela. Bayavungama abasebenzi solo kuthomele indaba yokuthi bazokhona ukunqwatha amaphesenti ali-10 emalini zabo zepentsheni. Ngehlelo lethu Support System ukuthoma ngomhla ka-1 ngenyanga ezako. Kodwa kunesiyeleliso sokuthi ihlelweli lizokuba nomthelela omumbi. Kodwa nanyana kunjalo njengomana umengameli atlikihle ngokusemthethweni umthetho omlingwa wokukhibelela umthetho thathwa kwemali yomthelo kutsho bona konke kukhamba kuhle ngehlelo leli. Asicale bona lizokuthinta njani abasebenzi bakahulumende njengomana abaningi abaholi kuhle njengabotitshere, amanesi namapholisa.
Leli kulihlelo elisafikako lemali elibizwa nge-two-pot system okufanele lisiza abasebenzi ngokuthi bathole ingcenye yabo yemali ngaphambi kwesikhathi somhlala phasi. Kodwa nakubasebenzi bombuso abafana no-Constance kunengi okusafuze kuhlathululwe ngilo.
Into lena ithonywa ukukhulunywa sizwe ngayo kuma-media, sizwa ngayo la kuma Facebook bayayikhulumisa, mara i-government akhange ize kithi njengenisebenzi zayo isihlalise phasi or ithumela abantu abazosifundisa kuhle ngokuthi kuyokwenzakalani nge-two-pot system le nawuthatha imali zakho egcineni. So siyasaba ukuthi ungayithatha nawuqeda ukuyithatha uthole ukuthi ekugcineni nasekufanele uthole le kufanele uthole njengomhlala phasi ibe ne-impact lapho. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-government ithathe advantage ngoba abantu benzwe inzima bayazi ukuthi sibuhlaga ilwazi asinalo kangako asazi ukuthi la baze bafike kulesi isinqumo sokuthi kube na le two-pot system bekwenze njani.
Ihlangano ejamela abafundisi isathu idlulisele iziko lendaba le-SABC kukhosathu ethe yona ayinamraro ngehlelo leli elitsha lemali elibizwa nge-two-pot system kodwa ithe kuqakathekile bonyana kube nelwazi elidephileko kumalunga wabo alinganiselwa ku-60 million.
It's going to require further education. We have a joint task team at NEDLAC with government, with Treasury, with the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, with SARS, with the CISA and the pension funds, with the government employee pension funds as well as COSATU. Just trying to make sure that we work as one collective, or we share the same message.
Nanyana kunjalo, ihlangano ye-Educators Union of South Africa ithi abasebenzi batsheje bayelele okusiphakamiso esikhambelana nehlangano ejamela abasebenzi bamajele namapholisa i-POP crew. Ithi abasebenzi bangazithola bangananzuzo eyaneleko nasele kufike isikhathi sokuthi bathathe umhlala phasi.
We reject the two-pot system in its current form and will continue to canvass for the following: the delaying of the implementation of the two-pot system pending further proposals from all stakeholders to allow all members to access the actual 10% of their pension fund, allow members to access their pension fund savings tax-free.
Ihlangano ejamela abasebenzi bezamaphilo iDenosa ithi ihleleli letha ihlangahlangano kubasebenzi kangangokuthi abanye abasebenzi bezamaphilo sele bathome nokuthokoza emisebenzini yabo.
That's why khona manje bangathi uyacheka kune high rate ama resignation emsebenzini ngenxa yokuthi abantu bafuna imali yabo so that they can ease their burdens. And why isho njalo is simply because of what we are informed ukuthi these people they own ama banks through ama bonds, they own ama bank through ama imoto lezi abazidrive and all those type of things and big loans. So now the challenge is that if I have 30,000 and I cannot be able ukuthi ngibhadale lezi zinto lezi engathi kumele ngizibhadale, I'll end up ngisebenzisa le 30,000 ngendlela lengamela ngisebenzise ngayo, and then that on its own igcina ngifake ama risk.
Kwangalesi sikhathi okungenziwa abasebenzi abafana noma Mahlangu kukulinda beze kufike sona isikhathi sehlelo le-two-pot system babone bonyana ukuya phambili lizabe libaphatheleni. Nginguthabo Mthweni wendaba ze-SABC isePitori eGauteng.
Nakusenjalo nanyana amanye amaSewula Afrika sale ngokuzwisisa bona ihlelo le-two-pot lizokusebenza njani. Ihlelo mbono yenziwe yi-SABC ekundleni yokuthindana i-X eyaziwa nge-tweet iveze bona amanye amaSewula Afrika athi ahlela ukusebenzisa imali le ukuvala inkwelete. Kanti abanye bona bathi umqasa uzabe uphephele ngesibhukwini. Ngamanye amagama batsho ukuthi bayozizwisa bayokulala bangakalali.
You can send.
Elihlekwa isigagaga indaba ye-two-pot system le enkundleni zokuthindana. Abantu bathi nakusempotweni embili khona kulaba yakhona anginalitho elizobavimba. Yatsho yabaphekisi ngoma.
Nobody can stop me. Move, I'm going there. Don't you want to go too?
Anahla bona imali leyo yokutholakala nini kodwa ngendlela abantu bathabe ngakhona kuyatsho bona bayilinde ngabovu. Ihlangano ejeje isikhwama semali sabasebenzi iSalt Employee Benefits ithi abantu abanengi babuzisisa ngokuthi bazokuthola imali engangani kuzokuthatha isikhathi esingangani ngaphambi kobana bathola imali abo nokubana ingangani imali abazokudoselwa yona.
To understand if they withdrawing a particular amount, is that what they'll get out? Also, we're seeing lots of members asking why they can't just take all of the money. Why are we limiting the amount of money that they can take?
Ihlolombono yenziwe yi-SABC ku-X iveze bona ebantwini abama-720 abazibandakanye kuhlolombono abamaphesenti abama-42 bathi bazokhupha ingcenye yemali abo yepensheni, abamaphesenti ama-42 bathi abazokuyikhupha imali abo, kanti abamaphesenti 16 bathi basazibuza bona bazokwenza njani ngemali le. Ikhupha imali abamaphesenti ama-49 bahlela ukubhadela ngayo inkwelede, abamaphesenti ama-26 bathi bazoyisebenzisa ukuraga ama-project abanawo, kuthi abamaphesenti ama-25 bathi bazozizwisa ngemali abayisebenzele ebudisi. iSalt Employee Benefits ithi ihlolombono abayenzileko nayo iveza bona amalunga ayo amaningi azoyikhupha imali le.
Withdrawing from the two-pot system. The reason for my withdrawal is to further my education.
I have a few debts that I am currently paying. So if I get the money and pay it off, I will be able to survive with the salary that I'm earning now.
Ibulungelo lemali eSouth Africa lithi ihlelo lizokuthuthukisa umnotho welizwe lekhethu.
Njengomana abanye bajamise ingastroli enkundleni zokuthindana, abanye bajamise abonogalaza bempoto nge-two-pot system le. Asizwe mbukeli bona uyayizwisisa nabo na yinto bani le two-pot system.
Abantu abaningi sebeyayiqonda ngempela, nami ngomunye wabantu abayiqondayo, kodwa ke sekuziwa ngomuntu ukuthi umuntu uthatha siphi isinqumo.
Sikhona isithethe beke safika kule ndawo ndikuyo sizocacisa ngayo le teapot.
Angifuni ukuqamba amakhulu ulwazi, ngiyazama ukucosha kodwa nje angabi nalo ulwazi oluphelele.
Ngithi ngakujabula kakhulu ukuthi basichasisele mayelana ngale mali empesheni ukuthi nayo uyithethe bese kunde kanjani.
Uyithathile le mali awuyithathanga vele isifice sisehluphekeni, uhulumeni vele usezuzile ngale mali.
Leyo mali le umqondo omuhle mara besiyidinga kakhulu ngesikhathi se-COVID.
Elwazi asinalo kuhle mara into ehle khulu leyo ukuthi na uberegako at least ungathende nokhona ukulungisa into zakho.
Ihlelo leli kokho sebasihlathululele godi awa nona kuzwisisa khona awa akazwisise.
Kabunalo ulwazi olugcwele ngale two-pot.
Isebumnyameni impela mina ngimuntu esiswini senkomo.
Yinalo ulwazi ngehlelo leli le-two-pot system.
Umbono lo ungawumbukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela kombono wombukeli. Ubhubhele esibhedlela udade weminyaka ema-22 ubudala weMpumalanga ekuthiwa batsho utshiswe lisokana lakhe. Umbali Ngubeni kuzwakala bona isokana lakhe limfafaze ngesibaseli esilumathako eGarlina ngeveke epheleleko. Isehlakalo lesi siveze ukwanda kwezenzo zokuhlolisana ngokobulili esifundenesi.
Esinye godi isehlakalo esithusako sokukhahlumezana ngokobulili. Umbali Ngubeni utshiswe pheze umzimba wonke. Batsho konke lokhu sisenzo sendoda ezibiza ngesokana lakhe elithi batsho liyamthanda. uNgubeni usize bomakhelwane abamuzwa rhwelela kabuhlungu. Wamukele esibhedlela seCarolina ngokukhamba kwesikhathi kwafuneka bona adlulisele esibhedlela seMalahleni atshe anganabubono. Bakwabo basilengeke kokugcina.
Mbali beka ku abusive relationship for isikhathi eside. Then uGayibe ngamshaya vele, then umbali waya ka boyfriend, then boyfriend wamfuna imali nokudla, mbali wathi akanako. Then uGayibe wathatha ipetrol wamthela wamshisa.
Bakwabo bathi solo umbali athoma ukuthandana nomuntu lo bekangasana budlelwano obuhle nabakwabo.
Ngizwa buhlungu kakhulu ngombali ngoba umbali ngimzamile kakhulu wafakwa ngilomfana kuma drugs. Ngamthatha ngamixe rehab. Waphinde wamthatha futhi lo mfana wambisela back kuma drugs.
Umndeni lo ufuna ubulungiswa.
We want to see umthetho udlala indima aboshwe isikhathi eside.
Imphathimandla zihlabe ngamagama abukhali senzwesi zabe zabawaboka bongazimba abakhahlumezwako ebudlelwaneni babo ukuthi bafune isizo msinyazana.
Siyacela abantu mabanetinkinga abakhulume sicela amaphoyisa na ukuthi awenze umsebenzi wawo kahle ba-investigate baliphenye kahle lelicala such that laba laba responsible batholakala bajeziswa ngendlela yakhona.
Umsolwa obotshiwe kanti bekulindeleke bona vele ekhotho namhlanje.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi abohulumende bemakhaya balima indima eqhakathekileko emahlelweni wezamandla. Uthi ukuthuthukiswa kwehlelo elazisako lokusabalalisa igezi kuzokulekelela ukuphungula indleko zokuthenga igezi nokutholakala kwayo. uRamaphosa bekakhuluma econferencini yehlelo iJust Energy Transition eGalaga Convention Center eJohannesburg.
ISewula Afrika isaragela phambili ngokusebenzisa imbaseli zamandla ezincibiliswako nayiphehla igezi. Mengameli Ramaphosa uthi ukuthembela ekusetshenzisweni kwembaseli zamahasi kungakhinyabeza ichebiswana lokuhwebelana nemikhiqizo. Buka amahlelo abomasipalata abarera amaqhinga ukusebenzisa inzibi zemvelo ukuhlwengeka kwebhoduluko.
Municipalities therefore need to be in the driving seat when it comes to providing clean, affordable energy to communities, to businesses, and to industries that operate in their localities. One of the aims of this conference is to unlock the institutional arrangements required to drive the decarbonization effort. The Just Energy Transition Implementation Plan, which was approved by Cabinet last year, includes a dedicated municipal portfolio roadmap.
Ungqongqotjhe wezegezi uDorhotere Khosiyentshu Ramokgopa uthi ukukhutshulwa kwentengo yegezi kwamhlapha kufaka ngaphasi kwegandelelo abanganalitho. Uthi ihlelo le-JET lizokubangela ukuthi igezi itholakale ngentengo eziphasi.
Our ability to meet the future demand, allow the economy to grow, whilst making businesses competitive, and also ensuring that low-income households have access to affordable energy, electricity, and the rest of us have got electricity that is cost reflective.
Bomnyango wezabohulumende bezangekhaya bathi bazokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi alibhajwa ihlelweli.
This gathering is crucial as it potentially marks the beginning of a serious journey of strategic intergovernmental cooperation towards transforming the municipal energy sector as part of South African broader climate change response.
Umengameli uthi amahlelo wabomasipalata kufanele athuthuke akhambisane nesikhathi sanje ukuze azokuba irobholela eheheni abatshali imali.
Umeyara weJohannesburg uTata Morero uhoqise bewancancabeza ngesiphakamiso sakhe sokuthi amaphandle angene ngokomthetho enarheni le asize amapholisa kumasipalata weJohannesburg ngomraro welimi abawutholako nakubotshwa amaphandle. uMorero wenze isiphakamiso lesi ngesikhathi kubanjwe umhlangano we-ANC wesingi ilikghotla obanjelwe eJohannesburg ngepelaveke.
Upon further reflection, I have come to the conclusion that my suggestion was not consistent with the policies of the ANC and policies of government. I therefore unconditionally withdraw my proposal and apologize for the anxiety it might have caused to the residents of Johannesburg and the people of South Africa as a whole. I wish to appreciate, of course, the robust manner in which our people were engaged in this discourse, especially in social media platforms.
Nasibuya entolo.
Asifike Mthatha, nyani uyavela uba uswelekile. Batsho ba lento yenziwe eDurban.
Into ezininzi esingazikwazi uzenza. Like i-50 zam besingazifumani.
Umazisi wakhe uthi ubhubhile, kodwa nangu uphiletswe umfundi wakwa grade 11. Balila ngokukhwabanisa okusemnyango wendaba zangekhaya. Sisaraka nendaba zesiNdebele nazikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus na ku Facebook. Ukuchukwa ngembuzo kwejaji ecaleni uColonel Chris Mangena kube nesitshijilo godu. Lokho kunjengombana ikhotho ephakemeko yePitori izwebona ingcenye icakathekileko yobufakazi ayikho kilokho kugadangisweko. Icala lokubulawa kwakaSenzo Meyiwa liyokuraga kusasa khona kuzokugadangiswa ingcenye ehlayelako le.
Sekudlula umnyaka solisazi ngengidi Colonel Chris Mangena ethula ubufakazi. Hlangana nobunye ubufakazi obethusako, uMangena wahlobanisa umsolo wesithathu umthobisi Mncube nokubulawa kwakaSenzo Meyiwa. uMangena waveza nokuthi uMeyiwa wadunyuzelwe eduze. Kodwa nokuchuka ngembuzo kuthena kusathi kuyathoma. Kwajanyiswa godu. Kube nobufakazi obungathathi iri lokho obulahlekileko kulokho kugadangisweko. Sekubalwa namachati ebekahleliwe.
If it's coming back, my lord, to the second issue that led to the delay in the commencement of the proceedings, when scouring through the record, we discovered that there are certain portions of Lieutenant Colonel Mangena's evidence which are missing from the transcribed records.
Ijaji uRatha Mkhwatleng ubonakala khaputlekile.
You know what, the JP is perturbed by this case. He actually remarks that he thinks I'm enjoying this case. That's why it's not finishing. That's his remarks. He wants this case to finish and be finalized. Now we're coming back. The record is missing. We want to listen to it. Our notes, you record what is important and what is not important, you don't record.
Bekwakateleleka bona ikhotho idosela umtatu inkhulu zekhotho zitsho bona imhlolo leyo yokulunga nini.
Tomorrow morning.
Yes, and overnight is overnight by the next day. So it's 9 a.m. tomorrow morning.
It will be ready 9 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Are you sure, sir? Ma'am?
Yes.
Ijaji uMkhwatleng walile bona indaba le ithulisele ngelesithathu. Wathi kufuze irage kusasa.
Umsana weminyaka eli-19 ubudala we-Elodale eMpumalanga Kapa utosa nzima ngendaba kaMazisi. uMazisi naye umveza njengomuntu owabhubhako. uSimvuyele Tshali konke lokhu ukutholena kayokuvula i-account yebhanka ngomgwengweni. Ummakhe uthi waya naye emnyangweni wezangikhaya bamtshele bona baye eThekwini.
uSimvuyele Tshali ukwibanga lethoba unexhala lokuba kunyaka ozayo angangakwazi ukufunda ibanga le-10 kuba kukho isiqinisekiso sokufa egameni lakhe. Ukanti umama wakhe uNoncedo Tshali uthi ufumene umnxeba osuka kwibhanki nobufuna aqinisekise ngokufa komntwana wakhe. Oku kwenzeke kuba bekukho umuntu befuna ukubanga izinto ze-insurance ngegama likaSimvuyele. Uthi uye waya kwisebe lemicimbi yamakhaya eMthatha efuna uncedo, kodwa uye wathunyelwa eDurban apho yonke lento yenzeke khona.
Xa sifike eMthatha nyani uyavela uba uswelekile. Batsho ba lento yenziwe eDurban kumuntu oseDurban, so abakwazi bona ba bakhona into bangayenza. Ubana ndinaso isihlobo eseDurban ndingasicela sona sindiyele eHome Affairs eDurban okanye mna ndiye eHome Affairs eDurban.
Lo mzali woyika ukuba oku kuza kulibazisa umntwana. Ixhoba lithi linexhala lokuba oku kuza kumvalela ezintweni ezininzi ebomini.
Ndakhathazeka kakhulu cause into ezininzi esingazikwazi uzenza, like i-50 zam besingazifumani, and been traumatized like esikolweni ngizokwenza njani, next year ngizokwenza ugrade 12 anzukwazi umfundi grade 12 ngenayo i-ID ngoba kuthiwa ansaphili.
Isebe lemicimbi yamakhaya ephondweni lithi uphando kulomba luyaqhuba.
Okwangoku asikwazi ukuqinisekisa uba eli ingaba lityala elenziweyo okanye ngabantu ababini abaneenkcukacha ezifanayo ezinjengamagama efani, kodwa ke sawulinda kwiziphumo zophando esilwenzayo ukuqinisekisa uba ngaba kwenzeke ntoni na.
Kuye kwenziwa isivumelwano sokudibana nexhoba ngeenjongo zokusombulula lo mba. NdinguNomzwanele Mngoma, eXhorha, eMpuma Koloni.
Kezemali iranda linzinzile nalinganiswa nezinye imali yeziguli. Indaba azipheli. Yikho nje sihlolana kuzihlahla kuKwekwezi FM bona kuyavuthwa na.
Siyathokoza bonke silotshisa umbukelo khona usekhaya esiziphethe kwenambama namhlanje. Umndeni kadade weminyaka ema-22 obudala wendaweni yeCaroline lapha esifundeni seMpumalanga ekuthiwa batsho isokana lakhe lamthela ngesivuthisi ngale kwalokho lamthungelela ngomlilo uthi ufuna kube nokulungiswa endaweni le kuyokubanjwa amakhetho waphakathi kwesikhathi wokuzaliselela ingikhundla kibomasipala ababili khona esifundeni seMpumalanga ngolosithathu ivekele uyihocisile bwanqanqabeza ikulumo ayikhulumileko umeyara wakumasipala weJohannesburg uDada Morero ukuthi ufuna ukucatsha amaphandle ukuba yingcenye kamapholisa kamasipala wakhona lapha eJohannesburg ngezihlangana nezinyeke siziphetheko endambama namhlanje.
Loshane ekhaya ngomvula ke sicalele msinyazana ubujamo bezulu nakya umoya ophekelela izulu elifikela lapha eCape Town nge60% moya makhaza ke lo kusasa umoya lo yake uyakhamba kazi ke umakhaza njalo uletha lapha iGabhoko namathuba athi uncipha ngezinye indawo kodwa na ke asese yi60% ngaleke ngeGapa lodumo sithole lapha ke isilemukiso somoya onamandla ngelwandle elibukhali uze ngapha ke kancancazana ngePumalanga kusasa ke ube mkhulu lo moya ke ozangapha ngeTlagwini angithi lapha ngeSewula yenarha bese lapha izulu elikhulu eCape Town kuthi ke mlilo wamahlathi lo onekhonakalo ukuthi ungenzeka njengombana kunomoya nje abantu bayelele kungenzeka kube nomlilo lapha emangweni iPitori yachisa nge31 iBroncosspruit ifuthumele eJohannesburg nge28 siyocala lapha eLimpopo ukuthi ingakhani yona injani bonakala ichisa khulu endaweni eziningi bo30 bo34 bo35 eMpumalanga bonakala lapha ke emashishini kufuthumele bomalahleni kuyachisa eMiddelburg isikhukhuza ichise kukhulu ke yona ke nge36 asiyocala ukuthi kunjani ke kwaZulu Natal siyabona ke kuchisa khulu ePietermaritzburg nge34 ukuthi lapha ke uLundi kuchisa khulu nge37 abantu bacheje kulesa sifunda iPumalanga Kapa imakhazana ke lapha eWillomo ukuthi kezinye indawo kufuthumele kezinye bekuyachisa ke iWestern Cape bonakala imakhaza endaweni eziningi abantu bambathi bafuthumele kulesa sifunda iNorthern Cape bonakala ke lapha eSpringbok neCalvinia neSutherland kumakhaza pheze imini yonke iKimberley yona ke ifuthumele iFreystata ibonakala ke ichisa endaweni eziningi kezinye ke kufuthumele lapho kunyeke njengalapha esifundeni sange Northwest khona ke kufuthumele asibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelayo.